Have you ever woken up in the morning, sat at the edge of your bed, and whispered to yourself, "Why am I feeling this weak? Why am I always tired, even when I haven't done much?" If yes, then my friend, you are not alone. And today, I'm here with you, not as a doctor, not as a speaker, but as someone who truly cares. Someone who understands the silent battles our seniors fight every single day. Section 1. A short story. I once met a 72-year-old man named Wilson, a retired teacher, gentle eyes, warm smile. But one day he said, "Beta, I used to climb mountains in my youth, but now I get tired climbing 2 stairs. Why?" His words touched my heart, because weakness at 70 is not just a physical feeling. It's emotional. It's the fear of losing independence. It's the sadness of slowing down. It's the wish to still be strong for your family, and you deserve answers. You deserve hope, and today, you'll get both. Section 2. The real reasons you feel weak at 70. Let's talk honestly, because strength has nothing to do with age. It has everything to do with what's happening inside your body. Reason number 1. Your muscles are shrinking. Sarcopenia. After 60, your muscles naturally get smaller. If you don't move them, they weaken rapidly. That's why even normal tasks feel heavy. Reason number 2, vitamin deficiencies. Many seniors have low levels of vitamin D, vitamin B12, magnesium, iron low levels, low energy, plus weak legs, plus tired mind. Reason number 3, slower heart, plus lower circulation. Your heart age increases. It pumps slower. So oxygen reaches your muscles slowly, making you feel tired even after small activity. Reason number 4, poor sleep. You may sleep 7 hours but still wake up unrefreshed. Why? Because deep sleep reduces with age. Reason number 5, emotional stress and loneliness. Weakness is not always physical. Sometimes the body feels tired because the heart is tired. Your mind affects your muscles more than you know. Reason number 6, dehydration. Most seniors drink very little water, low blood pressure, tiredness. Reason number 7, hidden medical conditions, low thyroid, diabetes, low testosterone or estrogen, heart conditions, chronic pain. All these silently drain your strength. Section 3, motivational message. But here's the truth, nobody tells you. Weakness at 70 does not mean your life is ending. It means your life is asking for a little care, and in return, it will give you strength again. Your body is not giving up on you. Your body is whispering, "Please take care of me, and I will still carry you through many beautiful years." Section 4, how to rebuild your energy at 70 plus. Let's rebuild your strength step by step. Step 1, morning sun, 10 minutes. Boost vitamin D, boost mood, boost energy. Step 2, walk slowly but walk daily. Even 5 minutes twice a day improves circulation and muscle strength. Step 3, fix your nutrition. Add daily 1 egg or milk, 1 banana or orange, dates or almonds, green leafy vegetables, plenty of water. Take supplements only after doctor approval. Step 4, improve your sleep. No heavy meals at night, warm water before bed, light stretching, silent prayer or gratitude. Step 5, reduce emotional load. Talk to someone. Don't hold worries inside. Share your heart. It lightens the body. Step 6, gentle exercises. Leg raises, ankle rotations, shoulder rolls. These keep muscles active. Section 5, powerful motivational ending. You're 70, but 70 is not the end. 70 is wisdom, strength, stories, blessings. Remember this, you are still needed, you are still loved, you are still important, and your body can still become stronger, starting today. Age doesn't decide your energy, your choices do, your hope does, your courage does. So from today, don't say, "Why am I feeling weak?" Say, "I am becoming stronger. I am healing. I am rebuilding myself." Because you can, And you will. And I am here with you, every step of the way.